I have a few questions.
ကျမမှာမေးခွန်းအနည်းငယ်ရှိနေ
I have a few questions. I have a few questions. I saw a bear today.
ကျမဒီနေ့ဝုန်းဝုန်းတစ်ကောင်မြင်ခဲ့တယ်
I saw a bear today. I saw a bear today. Can I say something?
ကျမတစ်စုံတစ်ခုပြောလို့ရမလား
Can I say something? Can I say something? I watch movies on my iPad.
ကျမ iPad နဲ့ဇာတ်ကားတွေကြည့်တယ်
I watch movies on my iPad. I watch movies on my iPad. What will you do now?
မင်းအခုဘာလုပ်မလဲ
What will you do now? What will you do now? I want to go with you.
ကျမမင်းနဲ့အတူသွားချင်တယ်
I want to go with you. I want to go with you. You are really nice.
မင်းကအရန်သဘောကောင်းတယ်
You are really nice. You are really nice. Today is the 1st of November.
ဒီနေ့နိုဝင်ဘာ 1 ရက်နေ့ဖြစ်တယ်
Today is the 1st of November. Today is the 1st of November. Let's go to the park.
ပန်းခြံကိုသွားကြရအောင်
Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park.
မင်းဘာအကြောင်းပြောနေတာလဲ What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? ကျွန်တော်တော်တော်လေးနေကောင်းလာတယ် I feel much better. I feel much better. I feel much better. မင်းရဲ့ email လိပ်စာကဘာလဲ What's your email address? What's your email address? What's your email address? အယမ်းမဆူညံပါနဲ့ Stop making so much noise. Stop making so much noise. Stop making so much noise. မင်းဘယ်မှာနေလဲ Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? ကျွန်တော်မင်းကိုနောက်ချက်မိတ်လို့တောင်းပန်ပါတယ် I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. ကျွန်တော်မှာအချိန်မရှိဘူး I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't have time. ကျွန်တော်လုပ်နိုင်လိုက်ပြီ I just made it. I just made it. ရာသီဥတုအခြေအနေဘယ်လိုလဲ What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? မင်းနောက်နေတာလား Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? ကျွန်တော်အဲ့ဒါမလိုချင်ဘူး No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it. ကျွန်တော်လည်းအဲ့လိုပဲထင်တယ် I think so too. I think so too. ကျွန်တော်အဲ့လိုမထင်ဘူး I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. ကျွန်တော်စိတ်မဝင်စားဘူး I'm not interested. I'm not interested.